Hi there, welcome to this Moonstruck Knits video. I'm Natasha and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Clint shawl. Clint is worked modular and seamlessly, and the yarn I used for the sample is Merlin by Isager, a fingering weight blend of wool and linen. For more details on yarn, yardage and other specifics, visit my website or the Ravelry project page. Now let's dive into the construction of Clint's most distinctive design element, the Modular Star Pattern. The star pattern consists of 34 squares and 2 half squares. In the pattern, these are referred to as blocks. Each square worked on the bias begins in one corner, increases to the center, and decreases to the opposite corner. The squares consist of 44 rows in garter stitch or 22 garter ridges. Most blocks are worked in 2 colors, 11 garter ridges per color. Since the edge stitches are slipped every other row, there are 11 edge stitches at each side of a square. Joining the blocks involves what I call a reverse pickup. Knitting the blocks together like this does not produce an almost invisible join and razor-sharp lines and corners. The join has a distinct appearance and texture, which in my opinion enhances the shawl's overall look. For one half of a block, you are instructed to join with a reverse pickup 11 times, so once for every edge stitch. Now let me show you the reverse pickup. Knit to the end of the row, move your yarn forward, then insert your needle from back to front in the edge stitch of the block you're attaching to. Make sure to pick up both strands of the edge stitch. Then turn, and on the next row you will knit the picked up stitch as a regular stitch. I'll show you once more. Work to the end of the row, yarn forward, pick up the next edge stitch from back to front and turn. On the next row, knit the picked up loops as a regular stitch. And that is all there is to it. Now let's discuss picking up stitches. Each block, except the first one, begins by picking up stitches at the pickup point indicated in the pattern. The pickup is always on the right side. For some blocks, you will pick up the stitches while there's still a stitch on your needle using your working yarn. For other blocks, you will attach new yarn to pick up your stitches with. The number of stitches to pick up varies, but the principle remains the same. Pick up the stitches as close together as possible in the utmost corner of the block. I'll first show you a pickup with the working yarn. Here I will pick up 2 stitches as close to that live stitch as possible. It does not really matter which strand you pick up from exactly, and to get them really close together, it's advisable to pick up through one strand only. Now I will show you a pickup on the intersection of 2 blocks using new yarn. As you can see, the principle is the same, picking up stitches from a single strand as close together as possible in the utmost corner of the block. Be a little mindful when you pick up your stitches so you have a nice corner to start your block with. Now we've got the picking up of stitches covered, I'll demonstrate how to join one block to two edges. As you can see, all these blocks here are joined to one edge of a previous block, but for some blocks you will need to join to two edges of two different blocks. You start as with a one-sided join, increasing the block while you attach. I will do that quickly so I can show you how to continue. Once you reach that corner and the center of your block, you will just continue attaching it, but now to the edge of the adjacent block. So knit to the end of the row. Yarn forward, reverse pickup, and turn. With the reverse pickup, you've increased one stitch, which needs to be compensated for in the decrease part of the block. So you will knit one, work a double decrease, a slip, slip, slip knit, and work the remainder of the block as instructed. And there you have it, Clint's Modular Star Pattern. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll have a lot of fun creating your own Clint masterpiece. Here's to happy knitting, and who knows, we might cross paths again for more creative yarn-filled adventures. Bye now.